Hey guys, how are we? I hope everyone's doing really well. I just wanted to jump on really quickly with a short video and just check in with you guys. Now, I know I've missed quite a few videos. I've done a couple of lives since the start of the year, but things have just been a bit crazy for me. I kind of started a couple of videos and they didn't really turn out how I wanted them to. And then a couple of weeks back, I got a thing called bursitis, which is basically, not to gross anybody out, but basically, you know, the fluid that's between your bones, the one in my knee, basically, it burst. So I haven't really been able to walk that well or to kind of do anything, and I can't really put much weight on it. But thankfully now it's getting much better, and it's nearly back to normal. So that's kind of one of the reasons why I haven't been online. And then just, I've had a lot of other stuff going on. I've explained in previous videos kind of what's going on in the lives and stuff like that. But I'm kind of trying to get a plan in place to be more organised, be more kind of intentional with the channel, so I'm not just kind of putting up random videos. Oh yeah, my hair's blonde now. I was like, oh yeah, my hair's blonde. Sorry, I've had it for a few weeks, so I'm used to it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's covering me grays, guys, right? It's fine, don't worry about it. But yeah, I just want to check in and see how you guys are doing. I would love if you drop me a comment down below. Let me know what's going on with you, how you're getting on, because you guys know I love to check in with you. And I love usually with our regular lives, our regular, with the video uploads, I love to have the live chat on and Premiere, so I could like keep in touch with you guys. So, you know, I haven't forgotten about you, and I do think about you all the time. So yeah, and just kind of, I've just had a lot of stuff going on, and it's kind of, you know, I'll do it tomorrow, and then before I know where I am, it's Thursday or it's Friday, and I haven't got time to get it edited and blah blah blah. But anyway, the video for next week is finished. I filmed it. I'm editing it already. It's nearly finished editing, so that will be up for next Friday. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. So I also had another update on the construction. I was telling you guys about some renovations that we were getting done. Unfortunately, we have had to push that back. The guy who's doing the work isn't available, and he's some family stuff or whatever, personal stuff, should I say, going on. I don't know the details of it, but anyway, he's not going to be here till probably after the summer. So that's just, it's how it goes. And you know what I mean? I'm not going to get upset about it. The work will still be done, but it's not going to be done till then. So that's kind of one of the reasons as well I haven't had a video in the last couple of weeks, because I kind of had done like a rough schedule out, and I'd kind of planned for those videos for renovation stuff. Kind of how that was all going to sit. So obviously that's been delayed. I found out there very recently about that. So I've kind of had to rejig and redo the whole schedule based on that. So yeah, and you can probably hear Mr. Supervisor barking in the background, so apologies for that. But yeah, so I just want to jump on and do a quick video for you guys. I was originally considering going to do a short, but I was just like, I don't want to be limited to say what I need to say to, like, you know, a minute. I think it's a minute for short. I don't know how long shorts are, but they're pretty short. But yeah, and I just wanted to fill you guys in on that. So, yeah, I'm trying to think, is there anything, I feel like there's something else I had to tell you guys, and I can't remember what it is. I told you guys that the renovation has been delayed. I did tell you that. Sorry, I'm just going to sit this way. Hope you guys can see me okay. I'm just on my phone right now in case you're wondering why it's not very steady. I'm just holding my phone. But yeah, so renovation has been suspended. So I had to basically, I had a whole schedule done out. I had a whole, like, you know, kind of, I'm going to do this video, and then I'm going to do like this thing with it and this thing with it. And I'd like planned out my titles and blah, 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 whatever. But anyway, that's not happening now it's probably going to be 5 or 6 months before that happens. So I kind of had to go back to the drawing board and kind of reset and restart everything and that kind of thing. So that's kind of delayed everything and kind of mucked it up a bit. So that's kind of one of the reasons why that hadn't happened, because I was thinking that the renovations were going to be starting around like last week or this week. But look, you know, life happens, guys. I did tell you guys about my knee already, I think. Yeah, so I burst the thing on my knee. So you know, I'm not going to, if you want to know what it is, it's called bursitis, bursitis. I was going to explain it, but in case people are squeamish on here, I don't want to, and I don't want people getting sick. So if you want to know what bursitis is in your knee, look it up. But yeah, it was quite painful. And just, yeah, it just was bad. And then my dad was away when it happened, so then I was kind of on my own, and then I put too much, I was, you know, still walking around, still taking care of Maxie and all that kind of thing. Because initially when it happened, it wasn't that sore and it was fine. Like, I was like, it's just one of those weird things that your body does. And you know, all that kind of thing. But yeah, and I'm also hopefully going to be starting a new series on the channel. Like, obviously I'm going to be doing my regular videos. They'll be on Friday still. Or I may do a different day of them and do our live on Fridays. I'm still working out because I had a whole plan to literally that was going to do me till like September. I had like 6 months planned, and the renovation is gone now. So I've had to basically throw out a whole lot of ideas for now and replan everything. But yeah, I really wanted to give you guys an update today, just in case you're wondering. I had planned to do a live yesterday, but unfortunately it did not work out like that. So, but I wanted to, you know, still update you guys and let you know what's going on. So, spring cleaning is happening at the moment. That's kind of going to be what we're working on now. And we're going to do better than this year. And it's not going to continue on until like October. But yeah, so I've already started on that. That's the video I have completed, is the first kind of big thing I've done on that. And I think I touched on that a little bit in the video as well, about my knee and stuff as well. So, yeah. But anyway, I'm like starting to waffle on now. I can't remember. There's another thing I have to tell you and I can't remember what it is. So I'm sure it'll come to me eventually. If I remember what it is, I will drop it in the community tab. As always, guys, I want to let you guys know that there's more coming up on the channel very soon. We will be decluttering, we will be organising, we will be cleaning, we will be tidying, we will be doing all the things. I'm thinking of doing more maybe cooking videos on the channel, and I wanted to see if you guys would be interested in seeing that, because I've been kind of trying to do a little bit more cooking and stuff like that and trying new recipes. Now, obviously, if you guys are not interested in that, let me know in the comments down below. I will try as well and put up a poll on the community page. I've been having a bit of trouble with my community page recently, so I put up a couple of things and they just wouldn't save and all that kind of thing. But anyway, I think that's everything. Yeah, I think so. I'm probably doing like the other series time bit is probably like a wellness kind of Wednesday kind of thing. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that down below. As always, if you are new to the channel, I am so happy that you have decided to look at my content, and I really appreciate you. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm delighted to have you again. I hope you guys are all looking after yourselves, taking really good care of yourselves and practicing self-care when you need it. If you haven't already, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and give the video a like if you enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, a great rest of your weekend, and a wonderful week ahead. And I will talk to y'all soon. Okay, love y'all. Bye.